What you're looking at are two engineering worlds separated by nearly 7 centuries. On one side, a handcrafted Newari timber joint carved by master builders in the Kathmandu Valley. On the other, a modern steel connection designed with advanced engineering software. At first glance, they couldn't be more different, but both were created to solve the same challenge. How do you keep a structure standing when the earth refuses to stay still? For generations, engineers believed the answer was simple. Build stronger, build heavier, build stiffer. Yet the remarkable temples of Nepal suggest another possibility. Instead of resisting every force, they manage it through intelligent flexibility. That ancient idea is attracting renewed attention as engineers search for safer and more resilient designs. Across the historic cities of Kathmandu, Patan, and Bhaktapur stand magnificent pagoda temples that have endured centuries in one of the world's most active seismic regions. Their survival is no accident. Newari craftsmen developed sophisticated timber joinery that locked wooden members together without relying solely on rigid connections. During an earthquake, these carefully crafted joints can accommodate small, controlled movements, helping distribute seismic forces throughout the structure. The building doesn't remain perfectly still. It moves together. Combined with the layered pagoda form, balanced proportions, and remarkable craftsmanship, these structures demonstrate an important engineering principle. Sometimes resilience comes not from refusing to move, but from moving wisely. Today, these historic buildings continue to inspire architects, conservation experts, and structural researchers around the world.
Now imagine a powerful earthquake striking a modern stadium. The ground shifts violently. The roof begins to vibrate. Every beam and connection experiences enormous forces within seconds. Modern structural engineering has developed extraordinary technologies to protect buildings, from ductile steel connections to base isolation systems and energy dissipation devices. Researchers also use advanced computer simulations to understand exactly how structures respond during extreme seismic events. These studies reveal an important lesson. Structures don't have to eliminate movement. They must control it. This philosophy echoes the behavior observed in traditional timber architecture, where carefully designed connections help distribute forces instead of concentrating them in one location. It's not about making buildings weak. It's about making them intelligently resilient. Modern engineering isn't replacing steel with ancient timber. It's combining the strengths of both. Today's architects are developing hybrid structural systems that integrate engineered timber, high-strength steel, and advanced digital modeling. These innovations create buildings that are lighter, more sustainable, and capable of managing complex structural forces. Researchers continue exploring how traditional joinery concepts, such as modular connections and controlled flexibility, can inspire future construction techniques. The goal isn't to recreate medieval temples. It's to understand the engineering wisdom behind them. When ancient craftsmanship meets modern technology, entirely new possibilities begin to emerge. The future of architecture may not be defined by stronger concrete alone, or larger steel beams. It may be defined by balance. A balance between strength and flexibility, between innovation and tradition, between modern science and centuries of human experience. For more than 700 years, the master builders of the Kathmandu Valley demonstrated that resilience is not achieved by fighting nature at every moment. It is achieved by understanding how nature works. As engineers continue designing the next generation of stadiums, bridges, and skyscrapers, the lessons preserved in Nepal's ancient temples remain as relevant as ever. Sometimes, the greatest innovations aren't waiting to be invented. They've been standing quietly before us all along. If you enjoyed this documentary, subscribe to Nature and History Diaries. Join us as we uncover the hidden engineering, forgotten history, and remarkable innovations that continue to shape our world.